The outstanding advantages of plastic blow molding technology, such as versatility and flexibility, have led to its increasing market share in daily life, as well as in the fields of automotive components and medical equipment. Plastic blow molding is mainly the process of converting molten thermoplastic materials into hollow seamless products. This process usually starts with the extrusion or injection molding of hollow plastic pipes, which become preforms. Then clamp the blank into the mold cavity, introduce compressed air, and blow the softened plastic until it adheres tightly to the mold wall, conforming to the shape of the mold. The main types of plastic blow molding include extrusion blow molding, injection blow molding, and tensile blow molding. Each type has its unique production characteristics and applications. Extrusion blow molding is the most common type in this process. A person is extruded from a die height and then clamped into a mold. Air is blown into the person, inflating it to the shape of the mold. This method is ideal for producing large containers, such as bottles and tanks. Plastic blow molding is a universal product manufacturing process that has completely changed the production method of hollow plastic parts and containers. This process, combined with the principles of extrusion and molding, can better produce lightweight, durable, and cost-effective products that are closely related to our daily lives. Water bottles, automotive components, and even in the medical field. Plastic blow molding technology has become a prominent feature in modern manufacturing. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.